there's a freaking dead bird on the ground. See, like right there. Right there. I don't want to touch it. I'm not getting any closer to it because I'm pretty close. Okay, I'm getting close. I don't know if you can see. Of course you can see. There's a whole bunch of ants on there. Yeah, that's just disgusting. Really disgusting. See, look. A dead bird on the ground. Gross. On the screen it doesn't look like I'm close, but I actually am like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps away from it. So yeah, guys. Oh. Just know that's really gross.